Okay, YouTube family, thanks for stopping by. Let me just brief because I'm not going to do all this talking like a lot of people do on YouTube. I'm getting ready to connect my dryer, Home Depot, that I got from Home Depot. They delivered 2 washing machines, but this topic is not about what they did, which was terribly stupid. 2 washing machines when I needed a dryer and a washing machine. But anyway, we're going to turn around here, we're going to get to work. We're connecting the electric wire. I gotta take the outlet out of the wall because it's not gonna fit for the dryer. So that what I'm saying is this is gonna work. I had to go get an outlet. Come on, I went to Lowe's, got me an outlet. I know I'm going in and out of the camera. I got a sink to fix. I'm gonna try and do that today. So I had to get an outlet to go with the dryer. Of course, Home Depot didn't tell me anything about this. This is just for this house. It is set like that. Different dryer, different unit was in there, old school, whatever. Okay, my YouTube, hopefully soon to be followers. I had to stop my little project. I am installing my dryer, and what I came across was an outdated socket. As you can see, these wires from my early video, I showed that there was 4 wires I was installing, and I was thinking that these wires would work, but these wires do not and will not work. This has to be upgraded. There's no red wire. There's of course, as you see, white, black, and a ground wire. That's not gonna work. Because what I got here is getting the camera right. As you can see, I got a disco in here. I got at the top, as you can see here, I got the red wire, I got the white wire. I'll get the camera right. And I got my black wire. Then I have, get my camera right, I'm doing this backwards. My ground wire has to go, get my camera right, here. So that would be a green wire, and there'll be 4 wires. I can do this with 3. I get this camera right. So I can do this with 3. So it's supposed to be a ground wire here, green, or it could stay white. And I can do it with 3. Hook the 3 up here, leave this alone, let that stay in there. Let that stay in there, and do this with just 3. But, so that's what I'm thinking about doing, because now I went back to the store, and I got this wire here, and it just has 3. So I can do it like that. And I had to change the wall outlet, because this is what was in there that it's calling for. The dryer's calling for this cord. This cord is not going to fit in this cord here, because this is a L up here. This is straight. That's straight. That's straight. That's straight. Ground wire. That's hot wires there. White and black wire. It's not gonna fit, because as you can see here, that L shape. So that's not gonna work. So